Hey everybody, it's Matthew, and I'm back to show you guys. This is going to be lesson number, I believe, 13. No, excuse me, lesson 12. And it's the analog joystick module with Elegoo. And all you're going to need here is your joystick, your board, and then you're going to need 4 positive wires, and then your ground wire. In this case, the ground wire is brown. Normally it's black. But in this case it'll serve as your ground wire. Then you're also going to need, and here I just went ahead and went along with the picture just that way to make things easier for you viewers, but you're going to have your green, your yellow, your red, and your orange all positive wires. And the way to hook this up, it's fairly simple. If you look here on the joystick, flip that around so it's not upside down for you guys, but if you look there where the plugs go, you can see where it says your ground, your 5V, and that's going to help tell you where your wire goes. So of course, ground is going to go over here to ground, which will be this brown wire right here, and then your 5V is going to be with your red wire as well, and your orange wire will plug into A0, and yellow will plug into A1. And then over here your green wire is going to plug into the number 2 slot. And so once you get your code pulled up here, and then this one's really nice because you don't have to mess with any zip files, so it doesn't have to include anything special. But once you get your code pulled up, you go over here to Tools, click on Serial Monitor, and then this shows all the different data. And it's kind of hard to read because it's moving, but where it'll say switch 1, and then you have an x-axis and y-axis. Just sitting there, not messing with the switch or anything. It shows that your x-axis is 502 and your y-axis is 532 about. Go ahead and clear this out. And then take the joystick, and I'm just going to move it this way. It's going to be towards my left. And that is going to change your x-axis to 1023, and it's going to keep the y-axis at about 532. And then, release it, and it's going to go back. Now if I push the joystick forward and be towards the computer, it's going to change my y-axis to about 1023, and then keep the x-axis at 503, and release it, it's going to go back to normal. Well, if I bring the joystick towards me, it's going to change the y-axis to 0, and then again it's going to keep the x-axis the same number. It's going to change a little bit, but not much. And then if I push it towards my right, it's going to change your y-axis to 0. And that's just pretty neat to show how you can change it.